For any government and every government, irrigation projects have become an ATM, sir. This needs to be stopped, sir. This needs to be stopped, sir. And you know, sir, there then a new thing was invented by the then Congress, sir. Mobilization of advance. Sir, you know, mobilization of advance. Make a project, bring the drawings, give a mobilization advance. Ho gaya, mobilization advance used to go to the contractor. Piche se I don't know where it used to go, sir. So mobilization advance continued again after the bifurcation of Andhra Pradesh and later Telangana, sir. If one is succeeding, so I think, you know, they are succeeding with the lovely ideas, sir, given by the previous government, mobilization advance. So that is why I say, sir, the state of irrigation projects in our state is the people responsible for it are the Congress, the TDP and the BRS, sir.